Okay, today we are starting with the new chapter, that is aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acid. Aldehyde, ketones, and carboxylic acid. Now, first we'll talk about the aldehydes and ketones. Okay, so what is the first point I'll write here? The organic compound compounds containing carbon, oxygen, double bond. The organic compound containing carbon oxygen double bond, that is C double bond O, and then C carbon valence is 4. So I'll write 1, 2, 3, and 4. I can write this way. Correct? The organic compound containing carbon oxygen double bond, that is between the carbon and oxygen atom there is a double bond. And what is the valency of the carbon? 4. So already 2 bonds are here. So third and fourth, okay, are called carbonyl, carbonyl group. Okay, so this is first point I can say here. So the organic compound containing carbon oxygen double bond, and that group, this group is called as a carbonyl group. The जिस organic compound में हमें C double bond O देखने के लिए मिलेगा, correct, and this group is called as a carbonyl group. Second, both aldehydes and ketones both aldehydes and ketone contain a carbon oxygen double bond. Both aldehyde मतलब aldehyde and ketone दोनों, both aldehyde and ketone contain carbon oxygen double bond. Carbon oxygen double bond means what? C. I can even write this way: C double bond O. One valency is on the left and one valency on the right. Both aldehyde and ketone contain carbon oxygen double bond, that is this group, as their functional group, and therefore they are called as carbonyl compound. See, I repeat, both मतलब aldehyde. See, actually in the first part we are discussing only about what aldehydes and ketone, इनके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, और aldehyde and ketone complete होने के बाद we start with carboxylic acid. Okay, so we are dividing this chapter in two parts. The first part of the chapter is aldehyde and ketone, and second part of the chapter is carboxylic acid. Okay, then what we have seen here, those organic compound which contain C double bond O group are called as a carbonyl group, and aldehyde and ketone both contain this carbonyl group, and therefore aldehyde and ketone can be called as a carbonyl compound. आप कोई भी aldehyde लो, आप कोई भी ketone लो, both aldehyde and ketone contains what? C double bond O group, one valency free on the left and one valency free on the, or carbon has got two valencies free, and this group is called as carbonyl group, and therefore aldehyde and ketone are called as a carbonyl compound. Okay, next. In aldehyde, okay, so aldehyde and ketones are called as a carbonyl compound. I'll just write down here these two parts. The first part I'll say here as, here I will just say carbonyl compound. Here we'll have about aldehydes, and the other side will have about ketones. Because I said that aldehyde and ketones are carbonyl compound. मतलब दोनों के पास कौन सा ग्रुप रहेगा? C double bond O group रहेगा, and these two valencies are free. So what is aldehyde here? I'll say here aldehyde. In aldehyde, carbonyl carbon is bonded to, in aldehyde. What is carbonyl carbon? देखो यहाँ पे जो कार्बन है और ये दिस ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एज कार्बोनिल ग्रुप. So this carbon is called as carbonyl carbon, and this oxygen is called as carbonyl oxygen, because ये हमारा carbonyl group है. तो carbonyl group में जो कार्बन है that is called as carbonyl carbon, और carbonyl group में जो ऑक्सीजन है उससे क्या बोलोगे आप? carbonyl oxygen. So this is carbonyl carbon, this is carbonyl oxygen. So in aldehyde, the carbonyl carbon is bonded to bonded to two hydrogen atom. This is the first case. In aldehyde, carbonyl carbon is bonded to two hydrogen atom, or or it is or it is bonded to one hydrogen atom, and one hydrogen atom and one alkyl or aryl group. One alkyl or aryl group. See what I said here? In aldehyde, carbonyl carbon is bonded to two hydrogen atom. मतलब okay, carbonyl carbon is bonded to two hydrogen atom. Like for example, तो ये क्या आएगा? ये हमारा carbonyl group है, and it is bonded to two hydrogen H. This is one case. Or it is bonded to one hydrogen atom. मतलब यहाँ पे दूसरा एग्जांपल क्या लूंगा मैं? C double bond O bonded to one hydrogen atom and one alkyl. मतलब यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? R मतलब alkyl. और अदर पॉसिबिलिटीज क्या है? C double bond O, one hydrogen and one aryl. Aryl means what? Aromatic. So in aldehyde, ये हमारा जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप है, this is carbonyl group. is bonded to two hydrogen atom, or it is bonded to one hydrogen and one alkyl, R is alkyl, or one hydrogen and one aryl, correct? So in aldehyde, what is functional group? Therefore, dash CHO, देखो यहाँ पे कौन सा ग्रुप दिखाई दे रहा है हमें? CHO, CHO, CHO. The देखो CHO is the functional group in aldehyde. The CHO is, अब यहाँ पे ऐसे भी CHO ऐसे लिख सकते हो, or you can just group them together. CHO is the functional group in aldehyde. Okay, functional group in aldehyde. And one minute, I'll just turn the page. I'll just continue here. The CHO, that is dash CHO, is called formyl group, is called as the formyl group, or aldehydic group. It is called as the formyl group, or it is called as the aldehydic group, correct? Aldehydic group, or you can also call it as the aldehydic carbonyl group, aldehydic carbonyl group, correct? So we can say here the CHO group is called as the formyl group, or simply you can call it as the aldehyde group, or you can call it as the aldehydic carbonyl group. Okay, so what you have seen here about the aldehyde, that in aldehyde the carbonyl carbon is carbonyl carbon. I'll just draw one structure here. C double bond O, and these are two valency. This complete group is called as a carbonyl group. This complete group is called as a carbonyl group, and here this carbon is called as carbonyl carbon. This carbon is called as a carbonyl carbon. तो ये हमारा carbonyl carbon है. And what you said here, in aldehyde, carbonyl carbon is bonded to two hydrogen atom. ये example, ये हमारा carbonyl group है, bonded to two hydrogen atom, or it is bonded to one hydrogen atom and one alkyl group. ये one hydrogen and one alkyl group, or one hydrogen and one aryl, one hydrogen and one aryl group, and this so here CHO is a functional group in the aldehyde. अगर हमें कोई भी कंपाउंड के अंदर CHO ग्रुप अगर दिखाई देगा तो CHO ग्रुप को आप क्या बोलोगे? अल्डिहाइड बोलोगे, करेक्ट? और दिस CHO is group, मतलब उसे अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप तो हमें बोलना ही है, but this group is also called as a formyl group. This group can be also called as a aldehydic group, or it can be also called as a aldehydic carbonyl group. Okay, now let's study about the ketones. Now what are the ketones here? Ketones. Now here you can say in ketones, carbonyl carbon carbonyl carbon is bonded to alkyl or to aryl group. See here, in ketones, ये जो हमारा कार्बोनिल ग्रुप है, in ketones the carbonyl carbon is bonded to 2 alkyl or 2 aryl group, correct? So in this way, this is C double bond O is a carbonyl group, and carbonyl group can attach to 2 alkyl group, R मतलब alkyl, or this C double bond O carbonyl group can attach to 2 aryl group, और एक ऑप्शन है C double bond O where you can have 1 alkyl group and 1 aryl group, all possibilities. मतलब in ketone carbonyl carbon is bonded to 2 alkyl group or 2 aryl groups, or I can say here 1 alkyl and 1 aryl group. See, 1 alkyl and 1 aryl group. So here both are alkyl group, this is carbonyl group, both are aryl मतलब benzene ring, and 1 alkyl and aryl group, they are called as a ketone, correct? Here the functional group is called, यहाँ पे जो ग्रुप है हमारा कौन सा, डैश C डबल बॉन्ड O डैश, मतलब कीटोन में जो ये ग्रुप हमारा है, द फंक्शनल ग्रुप दैट इज डैश C डबल बॉन्ड O डैश इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप is called ketonic, group, or we can also called as a ketonic carbonyl group. You can only called as a ketonic group, or you can called as a ketonic carbonyl group. यहाँ पे C डबल बॉन्ड O है और दोनों बाजू में क्या रहेंगे, अल्काइल ग्रुप, दोनों बाजू में कौन से ग्रुप रहेंगे, अराइल मतलब बेंजीन रिंग, और एक साइड में अल्काइल रहेगा और एक साइड में अराइल रहेगा. So this group can be called as only ketonic group, or we can call them as what, ketonic carbonyl group. Okay, so we have finished with the definition part. What are aldehydes and ketone? एक सिंपल ध्यान में रखना है कि अल्डिहाइड में कौन सा फंक्शनल ग्रुप देखने के लिए मिलेगा, डैश CHO मिलेगा, और कीटोन में कौन सा ग्रुप देखने के लिए मिलेगा, 2 डैश है और C डबल बॉन्ड, दिस इज कीटोनिक ग्रुप. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, I'll go for the classification of aldehyde first. Classification of aldehyde. Now what is the classification of the aldehyde here? See first, aldehydes are classified as aliphatic and aromatic aldehyde. Aldehyde are classified as what? Aliphatic aldehyde and aromatic aldehyde. Okay. Now first we'll talk about the A part, that is yes, for aliphatic aldehyde. What is aliphatic aldehyde? In this in aliphatic aldehyde, what we can say, the CHO, the CHO is the aldehyde group. CHO is the aldehyde group, and we know that this group can be also called as the formyl group. So the CHO group, CHO group. Now CHO group can be called as what? Aldehyde, or it can be also called as the formyl. Correct. The CHO group is is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, sp3 hybridized sp3 hybridized sp3 hybridized saturated carbon atom. See here, the CHO group is directly attached to what? sp3 hybridized saturated carbon atom. Saturated carbon atom. I'll take one example, but only यहाँ पे exceptions है हमारे पास. The only exception, what is exception? The exception is यहाँ पे CHO और यहाँ पे CHO मतलब aldehyde किसे अटैच कर रहा है? हाइड्रोजन को अटैच कर रहा है. And when CHO attached to hydrogen, then this aldehyde is called as a formaldehyde. यही हमारे पास एक एक्सेप्शन है. नॉर्मली बाकी सारे अल्डिहाइड में हमारा जो CHO ग्रुप रहेगा कौन से कार्बन को अटैच करेगा? डायरेक्टली अटैच टू sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज सैचुरेटेड कार्बन एटम. ओके, और ये एक्सेप्शन है जहाँ पे CHO ग्रुप किसको अटैच हो रहा है? हाइड्रोजन को. मतलब यहाँ पे कार्बन एटम नहीं है, यहाँ पे अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप कार्बन को अटैच नहीं है. मतलब कार्बोनिल ग्रुप के बाजू में क्या देखो ऐसा होता है, कार्बोनिल ग्रुप यहाँ पे भी H आ रहा है और यहाँ पे भी H आ रहा है, मतलब दोनों साइड. यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा कार्बन है ही नहीं. तो ये हमारा खाली एक एक्सेप्शन है अल्डिहाइड में. ओके, सो व्हाट इज एलिफैटिक अल्डिहाइड? द CHO group is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized saturated carbon atom. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक एक्सेप्शन है जहाँ पे CHO ग्रुप कार्बन को अटैच नहीं है, मतलब यहाँ पे कार्बन एटम है ही नहीं, खाली फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. तो दिस कंपाउंड HCHO is called as a formaldehyde. Now we'll take the example of the other aldehyde one by one. The first one, देखो CHO is aldehyde group attached to carbon atom. और ये कार्बन आइटम का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन कौन सा रहेगा? sp3 रहेगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या अटैच है? CH3 है. देखो कार्बन को 3 हाइड्रोजन अटैच है, कार्बन को 3 हाइड्रोजन अटैच है और कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में सिंगल बॉन्ड है. मतलब कार्बन कैसा रहेगा? सैचुरेटेड रहेगा. और कार्बन के आजू बाजू में अगर सिंगल बॉन्ड ही रहेंगे तो कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन कौन सा होता है? sp3 होता है. तो ये हमारा कार्बन sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज है. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस इज acetaldehyde. The name is what? Acetaldehyde. I'll take the second example, that is CH3 CH2 CHO. Now see, CHO is a aldehyde group. CHO is a aldehyde group and aldehyde group is attached to a carbon. देखो इस कार्बन के लेफ्ट साइड में भी सिंगल बॉन्ड है, इस कार्बन के राइट साइड में भी सिंगल है. मतलब कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या रहेगा? sp3 रहेगा. और कार्बन के बाजू में अगर सिंगल बॉन्ड है मतलब कार्बन सैचुरेटेड भी है, तो ये हमारा अल्डिहाइड है. एंड दिस अल्डिहाइड इज कॉल्ड एज प्रोपियन अल्डिहाइड, प्रोपियन अल्डिहाइड। तो बेसिकली अल्डिहाइड किसको बोलना है हमें, जिनके पास CHO ग्रुप है उन्हें अल्डिहाइड बोलना है। खाली यहाँ पे एक एक्सेप्शन है कि यहाँ पे CHO किसे अटैच कर रहा है, H को अटैच कर रहा है, विच इज कॉल्ड एज अ फॉर्माल्डिहाइड। लेकिन यहाँ पे CHO अटैच टू CH3 ग्रुप, so this is called as a acetaldehyde, and here CHO attached to CH3 CH2, so it is called as a propion aldehyde। एटलीस्ट तीन अल्डिहाइड आपको मालूम होने चाहिए। The first one is formaldehyde, second one is acetaldehyde, and third one is propion aldehyde। Okay, so even we can write here the general formula. The जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ अल्डिहाइड अगर हमें लिखना है तो अल्डिहाइड का जनरल फॉर्मूला क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग, RC डबल बॉन्ड OH। ये हमारा फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, और R के जगह हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, H, तो फॉर्मल्डिहाइड बनेगा। और R के जगह हम लोग अल्काइल मतलब क्या लिख सकते हैं, मिथाइल। और वी कैन राइट हियर एज व्हाट, इथाइल। दिस ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एज इथाइल, C2H5। तो R कैन बी अल्काइल मतलब R कैन बी H, तो फॉर्मल्डिहाइड बनेगा। और R कैन बी अल्काइल, अल्काइल कैन बी मिथाइल, और अल्काइल कैन बी इथाइल। सो ये हमारा अल्डिहाइड का जनरल फॉर्मूला है, RCHO। और अब ऐसे इसे लिख सकते हो RCHO, RCHO इज अल्डिहाइड। ओके, तो ये हमारा एलिफेटिक अल्डिहाइड हो गया। सो व्हाट इज एलिफेटिक अल्डिहाइड, the CHO group is attached to the sp3 hybridized saturated carbon atom. Only this is the exceptions where CHO is not attached to any other carbon atom, which is called as the formaldehyde. Our rest of the aldehyde, CHO group is attached to a carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized. Okay, aliphatic aldehyde के बाद हमें कहाँ पे जाना है, aromatic aldehyde। Okay, aromatic aldehyde. What is aromatic aldehyde? The compounds in which CHO group is directly attached to an aromatic ring. See, the CHO group is directly attached to the aromatic ring, are called aromatic aldehyde, are called as a aromatic aldehyde. We'll take the example. See, this is a benzene ring which is aromatic. To this, the group attached is what, CHO, and this compound is called as a, ये नेम तुम्हें लर्न करने पड़ेंगे, benzaldehyde. This is called as a benzaldehyde. Second one, again a benzene ring. Here we have the CHO, and here we have the OH, and this is called as a salicyl aldehyde. Salicyl aldehyde. Salicyl aldehyde. देखो ये हमारा CHO ग्रुप है. CHO group is directly attached to the carbon atom of the benzene, salicylaldehyde, and I'll take one more. CHO, NO2. CHO is the main group. ये हमारा मेन अल्डिहाइड है और यहाँ पे फोर्थ ये तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द पैरा नाइट्रो, पैरा नाइट्रो. और ये अगर कवर कर लिया पैरा नाइट्रो तो कौन सा कंपाउंड बचेगा? बेंजीन रिंग अटैच्ड टू CHO, and benzene ring attached to CHO is called as what? Benzaldehyde. So this compound is para nitro benzaldehyde. This compound is called as para nitro benzaldehyde. Okay. So what is aromatic aldehyde? The aldehyde in which CHO group is directly attached to the aromatic ring, that is benzene ring, are called as aromatic aldehyde. Example is benzaldehyde. This is CHO and OH are called as salicylaldehyde. And this is यहाँ पे 1 position और यहाँ पे 4 position. The 4th position is called as para nitrobenzaldehyde. Okay, so we are done with the classification of aldehyde. Now we are going for the classification of the ketone. Okay, classification of the ketone. 1 minute, I'll turn the page. Classification of the ketone. The first one, the ketones are also classified as aliphatic and aromatic ketones. Ketones are also classified as aliphatic and aromatic ketone. So first, I'll start with aliphatic ketones. Aliphatic ketone. The compounds in which carbonyl group. What is carbonyl group? C double bond O, one valency on the left, one valency on the right. Carbonyl group. The compound in which carbonyl group is attached to two alkyl groups. मतलब यहाँ पे भी अल्काइल ग्रुप आएगा, यहाँ पे भी अल्काइल ग्रुप आएगा, करेक्ट. The compounds in which carbonyl group is attached to two alkyl groups are called as aliphatic ketone. Are called as aliphatic ketone. Like here. Okay, मतलब यहाँ पे so I'll just write down here that this will have a C double bond O, and here we'll have the one alkyl group, and here also we'll have the one alkyl. So compound in which carbonyl group is bonded to two alkyl group. मतलब जो दो वैलेंसी यहाँ पे फ्री थे, पहले वैलेंसी को अटैच करेगा R, दूसरे साइड को भी अटैच करेगा R, so they are called as aliphatic ketone. Okay, and here aliphatic ketones are classified as aliphatic ketones are classified as, how they classified? So they are classified as simple ketones. Simple ketones can be called as symmetrical ketones. Simple ketones are called as a symmetrical ketone, and other side here we'll have that is mixed ketones, and mixed ketones are called as unsymmetrical ketones. Mixed ketone are called as a unsymmetrical ketone. Correct? The simple ketones and mixed ketone. Now, what is simple ketone? The ketones in which both the alkyl group groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are same, or you can say identical. The ketones in which both the alkyl group bonded to carbonyl carbon are the same are called as a simple ketone or called as a symmetrical ketone. Okay, example like I can say here, मतलब ऐसा अब लिख सकते R C double bond OR, मतलब दोनों alkyl group same रहेंगे. So I can just write here CH3 C double bond OCH3. यहाँ दोनों का alkyl group same है, and this ketone is called as a dimethyl ketone, which is very commonly known by a name called as acetone. See, AB methyl है, ये दोनों alkyl group same है, so it can be called as a dimethyl ketone and very commonly known by which name? Acetone. I'll take one more example. C2H5 C double bond O C2H5 C2H5 C double bond O C2H5. This is called as a di इथाइल. देखो ये इथाइल है, यहाँ पे भी इथाइल है, तो दो इथाइल डाई इथाइल, और C double bond O group is called as a ketone, so it can be called as a diethyl ketone. Okay, so what is simple ketone? The ketones in which two alkyl group bonded to carbonyl carbon are the same. Okay, dimethyl ketone and diethyl ketone. Now I'll go for the next heading. Mixed ketone are also called as a unsymmetrical ketone. The ketones in which two alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are different. See here, the ketones in which two alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon are different. Carbonyl carbons are different, and therefore they can be called as a mixed ketone or they can be called as a unsymmetrical ketone. इनका जनरल फॉर्मूला क्या लिखोगे आप? R C डबल बॉन्ड O एंड R डैश. मतलब क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? दोनों अल्काइल ग्रुप अलग है. अगर एग्जांपल लेना है तो CH3 C double bond O C2H5. One group is methyl, other group is ethyl, so this can be called as ethyl methyl ketone. It can be called as what? Ethyl methyl ketone. और एक एग्जांपल अगर हमें लेना है तो C2H5 C double bond O, and then I'll write CH2 CH2 CH3. See here, this group is methyl and this group is ethyl. Alphabetically, what comes first? E. Therefore, the name is written as what? Ethyl methyl, and C double bond O group is called as a ketone. Similarly, here, this is ethyl, and 3 carbon atom is propyl, and all are in the continuation. So N propyl. So one group is ethyl, अदर ग्रुप इज एन प्रोपाइल, लेकिन एन नहीं देखना, खाली प्रोपाइल का पी देखना है. तो इथाइल और एन प्रोपाइल में पहले क्या आएगा? इथाइल एन प्रोपाइल ether, ethyl n propyl ether. Okay, so what we have seen here, ketones are classified as aliphatic and aromatic. What is aliphatic? The carbonyl group is bonded to two alkyl group, and then if the two alkyl group are the same, then we can call them as a simple ketone. And if the two alkyl groups are different, then we can call them as a mixed ketone. So if we have finished with aliphatic ketone, I'll go for aromatic ketones. Okay. Aromatic ketone. What is the compounds in which C double bond O group. This is carbonyl group. C double bond O, in which a C double bond O, that is carbonyl group, is attached to either two aryl groups, either हमारा जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप रहेगा will attach to two aryl groups or one alkyl and one aryl group. One alkyl and one aryl group are called as a aromatic ketone. What is aromatic ketone? The compound in which a carbonyl group, मतलब हमारा जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप रहेगा, यहाँ पे दो वैलेंसी फ्री है, अटैच टू टू अराइल ग्रुप, दोनों अराइल ग्रुप रहेंगे, या one alkyl and one aryl group रहेगा, then they can be called as a aromatic ketone. So I'll just take the example C double bond O, and then I'll have the benzene ring here. Benzene ring. So यहाँ पे दोनों अराइल ग्रुप है, and this compound मतलब this compound are called as a di benzene ring having a dash called as a phenyl. Benzene ring having a dash called as a phenyl. So this can be di phenyl ketone. Diphenyl ketone. Okay. And कीटोन में अगर हमारा एक बेंजीन रिंग रहेगा, कीटोन में अगर एक बेंजीन रिंग रहेगा, तो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ फिनोल. इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ फिनोल. कीटोन में मतलब अगर एक बेंजीन रिंग रहेगा तो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ फिनोल. PHENON, फिनोल. ये हमारा इतना ग्रुप फिनोल हुआ और यह बेंजीन है. सो दिस कैन बी कॉल्ड एज बेंजोफिनोल. मतलब अगर हमारे कीटोन में बेंजीन रिंग अटैच टू CO रहेगा, then that group can be also called as a phenol. और ये बेंजीन रिंग है, so it is called as a benzo. ये हमारा फर्स्ट एग्जांपल हुआ. I'll take one more example. That is C double bond O, benzene ring, and this side I am having CH. So one side we are having alkyl group, other side we are having aryl group. Now here, just now I have said here, benzene ring attached to ketone can be called as a phenol. Benzene ring attached to ketone can be called as a phenol. Correct? Phenol. And CH3C double bond O group is called as what? Aceto. So name of the compound is aceto. Aceto. CH3CO is acetyl group. So aceto and benzene ring attached to ketone can be called as what? Acetophenol. This is called as a acetophenol, or दूसरा नाम benzene ring dash is called as a phenyl or a methyl. Phenyl or methyl में पहले क्या आएगा? Methyl आएगा. So what is the other name we will have here? Methyl phenyl ketone. Methyl phenyl ketone. Okay. ये नहीं. यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा है यहाँ पे कि अगर बेंजीन रिंग कीटोनिक ग्रुप को अगर अटैच है, कीटोनिक ग्रुप को अगर अटैच है, then this part can be called as a phenol. और यहाँ पे CH3CO रहेगा तो एसेटो, और एक बेंजीन रहेगा तो phenol. So remember that benzene ring attached to ketonic group can be also called as a phenol. When benzene ring attached to ketonic group, when benzene ring attached to ketonic group, it is called as phenol. It is called as a phenol. PHENE phenol. क्यों ऐसे मान लो नोमेनक्लेचर में हम देख लेंगे, लेकिन phenol. Okay. So we have finished with the classification of the ketone. Okay. Now simple question, classified as a aliphatic and aromatic aldehyde. अभी यहाँ पे देखो CHO मतलब aldehyde group है, but aldehyde group is not direct. benzene ring भी है, but aldehyde group is not directly attached to the benzene ring, and therefore ये कौन सा compound रहेगा? This is going to be aliphatic aldehyde. What is aromatic aldehyde? Aromatic का मतलब CHO should directly attach to the carbon atom of the benzene ring. यहाँ पे देखो CHO मतलब aldehyde है, यहाँ पे benzene ring है, but CHO is not directly attached to the benzene ring, and therefore it is not aromatic. It is aliphatic. Aldehyde. Now here CHO group aldehyde is there, but this is not benzene ring. See, aldehyde is there, but benzene ring nahi hai, so this is also going to be aliphatic aldehyde. And last one, CHO is there, benzene ring is there, so this is called as aromatic aldehyde. So we have finished with the definition of aldehyde and ketone and classification of aldehyde and ketone. Okay, we'll stop it over here. Thank you.